Hello, dear children. I welcome you in this virtual class of SST. In this class, we will read about Lesson 5 Life of the People in Northern Plains. In our prior chapter, we have learnt about the Northern Plains. So, let us see. The states and union territories in the Northern Plains are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and some parts of Assam and Tripura. Let us start with the state Punjab. Punjab. The name is made up of two words, Panj meaning five and Ab meaning water. So, the word Punjab means the land of five rivers. The five rivers which gave Punjab its name are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Now, the western part of Punjab is in Pakistan. Hence, only three rivers flow through Punjab: the Beas, Ravi and Satluj. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab, which is a planned city. Occupation. Punjab is the land of agriculture. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. The land here is highly fertile. Wheat, rice, oilseeds and sugarcane are the main crops of this region. The Green Revolution has been successful because of the efforts of Punjab and Haryana. Many industries have been set up in Punjab because electricity is available from the Bhakra Nangal Dam. Amritsar and Dhariwal have cloth mills that make woolen clothes. Dress. The women wear salwar kameez and men wear lungi kurta, also turban on their head. Dance. Bhangra and Gidha are the folk dances of Punjab. Favorite food. Makki ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi are the popular dishes of Punjab. Festivals. Sikh religion, founded by Guru Nanak Dev, is the most common religion of the people of Punjab. The main festivals of Punjab are Guru Parabs, Baisakhi, Holi, Lohri, Diwali and Dashehra. Tourist places. Amritsar is famous for its Golden Temple. It is a holy place of the Sikhs. The ancient fort of Bhatinda and the historical monuments of Kapurthala are famous. Also, Sheesh Mahal, Lakshmi Narayan Mandir are some of the famous important tourist places. Children, now it's time for some writing work. Take out your SST class work copy and write down the questions and answers. Question number 1. Name the favorite food of people of Punjab. Answer: Makki ki roti and sarson ka saag is the favorite food of people of Punjab. Now, question number 2. Name the popular dance of women in Punjab. The popular dance of women in Punjab is Gidda. Question number 3. What are the two main crops of Punjab? Answer will be wheat and millet are the two main crops of Punjab. Haryana. Haryana lies towards the south of Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Children, did you notice anything? Yes, Chandigarh is the capital of both Haryana as well as Punjab. The Ghagra is the only river which flows through Haryana. Main language Haryanvi, Hindi and Punjabi. Dresses women wear Ghagra kurti and odhni, whereas men wear dhoti, kurta and turban, just like as Punjabis. Occupation. Farming, cattle rearing and dairy farming are the main occupations of the people here. The main crops grown here are wheat, maize, rice, pulses and sugarcane. Farmers use modern machines like tractors, tube wells and water pumps. The main industries in Haryana are cement industries, sugar industries, paper industries, cotton textile industries, cycle manufacturing industries, car manufacturing industries, etc. Other important industries are information technology, textile, tires, glass. These all are the other important industries of Haryana. The Maruti Udyog is the biggest car factory in India and which is situated in Gurugram. Gurugram and Faridabad are the two most important industrial towns of Haryana. Tourist places in Haryana. Suraj Kund, Badkal Lake, Kurukshetra, Panipat, Pinjore and Karnal are the important tourist places in the state. Next is Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. All the central government offices are located here. The President and the Prime Minister operate from Delhi. Delhi is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. It is surrounded by Haryana on 3 sides and Uttar Pradesh on the eastern side. Occupation. There are many industries and business houses located in Delhi. Many people work in private government offices here. Festival. All major festivals are celebrated here. Hindi, English, Punjabi and Urdu are the major languages spoken by the people of Delhi. Famous places. The city is famous for its historical monuments like Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Jantar Mantar, India Gate. Akshardham and Lotus Temple are the modern constructions. All the major festivals are celebrated here, especially Phool Walon Ki Sair is a special festival celebrated in Delhi. Apart from Hindi, Punjabi and Haryanvi and many other languages are spoken here. The Mughal gardens at Rashtrapati Bhavan.